Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Gently close your eyes and begin to bring your attention to your breath. Feel each breath entering and leaving your body. Allow yourself to relax deeply, bit by bit, with every breath. The sacral chakra, also known as Svadhisthana in Sanskrit, is the center of creativity, emotion, and joy in life. Located just below the navel, this chakra connects us to the deep emotional and creative energies within. When your sacral chakra is balanced, you feel comfortable, open, and ready to express yourself naturally. However, when blocked, you might feel unbalanced, caught in negative emotions, or lacking creativity. Now, shift your focus to the sacral area, the region just below your navel. Take a deep breath and imagine a warm, orange light emanating from this area. The orange light represents your creativity and joy. Allow this light to spread throughout your body, feeling its gentle warmth and serenity. Let the orange light envelop your entire being. You are now connected with the infinite creative energy within you. Imagine this energy washing away any tension or negative emotions. Each inhale nourishes your sacral chakra with fresh energy, and each exhale releases any anxiety or fear. Now, repeat silently to yourself the following affirmation. I am connected to the creativity and emotions within me. Feel each word resonating through your cells, soothing and healing your chakra. Your creativity and emotions are being activated, allowing you to experience life more fully. Continue to breathe deeply in silence, feeling the sacral chakra being restored and balanced. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel the space around you. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and notice the sense of balance and vibrant energy within you. You have completed the Sacral Chakra healing meditation.